Box Destroyers, what's going on? Welcome. If this is your first time to the channel, appreciate you being here. My name is Brooks Conkle. I'm an entrepreneur. I believe that life and business is one giant adventure, and we shouldn't just think outside the box, but we should completely destroy the box. So the channel's all about making money online, technical type things, adventure of life, business tips, personal finance, etc. So if you're into that kind of stuff, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification to get notified when videos come out, and look forward to hanging out with you. So let's talk about the QUORA Partnership Program and some updates of what's going on to it. So if you don't already know what the program is, QUORA website where people ask questions and people answer those questions has a ton of SEO properties, ranks really high in Google. It's been around for a number of years now, and they started a partnership program where you can actually get paid for the questions that you ask. They actually share a piece of the ad revenue that they make, which is pretty cool. But there's been a new expansion on it recently, within the last month, that they will now pay you to request answers on questions that have already been asked if you go out and find other people to help answer those questions. So let me show you right here where it is. This is the article that was written, and we are in December 2018, so this was written less than a month ago. And so this is where they spelled out right here. So we've been thinking about new ways to compensate for different kinds of contributions, and today we're happy to announce our first expansion of the programs. Since we launched the program, partners have contributed some of the best new questions for writers to answer. So one big limitation with the current program is that partners only get compensated for new questions. So going forward, we are going to allow partners to get compensated for answer requests on existing questions. So that is the key right there. That's what we're talking about. So why did they do this? I don't know the answer. Maybe it's because tons of new questions are coming through. Maybe like all the questions in the world have been asked, which obviously isn't true. But now what they're doing is saying, hey, we have I think what they're saying is we have a data bank of a ton of really good questions, and maybe some of them could use more answers, more thoughtful answers, sought out answers, whatever. So if you are a part of the partnership program, and as a side note, you have to be invited to the program. I don't know how that works. QUORA knows how that works. I can't answer that one for you. But if you are a part of the program where you're getting paid to ask questions or submitting questions to be answered, now know that you can go into existing questions and find contributors that might be a good person to answer that question, and they will track that and you will get paid for that information. So I think that's pretty cool. It's an update. These guys are changing things on the program of how it works. They will pay you for 12 months of that question. So it may not be a trending topic type question that gets answers. It may be something that it's a little bit more evergreen with the content where it gets found in Google and then it gains traction later. So, you know, go ahead and ask your questions. Just ask the questions. Just do it. It's a really neat program. The top earner so far, hold on, let me find it for you real quick actually in this other program right here, because just this last month. So top earning member in November earned $5,300. I mean, that's pretty crazy. And there was another one thing too. So top in 2018, so in the last 6 months, the top earner has earned $26,897, which is crazy. Now that's the top earner. So, you know, you're not talking about everyone. Clearly, you know, tons of people won't make any money or make a couple of pennies or whatever. I just think it's cool. I think it's a neat way. I think it's a neat way for this company to like reward people for their questions, thoughtful questions that hopefully they really want answers to. Which is the only reason I'm asking questions is to come up with information and things that I want to put out maybe later as a YouTube video, or I'm kind of gaining some insight or whatever, and so it's kind of just a free tool for me, and maybe I get paid a couple of bucks if some of my questions get big and go viral. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, the like button. It actually helps me out. It helps the video out. YouTube has no way to know if you actually got something out of this video unless you hit that button, hit the thumbs up. So do that, and I've got a ton of stuff down in the description if you want to see. I've got free ebooks, resources, Udemy courses, ways to make money online, all kinds of stuff. Just check those out. I'd love for you to connect with me. I look forward to keeping in touch with you. comment down below. Tell me your way if you're already a part of Quora or if you have another cool thing going on with some other source online. I'd love to hear about it. I'd love to interact down in the comments. So take care. Talk to you guys soon.